So you're taking notes. We have those notes on the side. You can read them, but make sure you identify what you need to identify before you check your answers. I say this because here we need an advantage of the infilling technique. Your answer needs to tell you that this is an advantage. If you go through the answer choices, right, answer B, filling in carvings with ground sandstone and bonding agent is less invasive than smoothing them away. We're going to say answer B because answer B shows us the advantage is less invasive. It's better than smoothing them away. The other answers simply don't show us an advantage. We need to identify what we need to identify before we identify the answer that we have to identify. So in our answer, we need a description of the unwoven light. And also in our answer, we need information that tells us who Sue Sunny Park is, because it tells you to an audience that is unfamiliar with blank, unfamiliar with this person or idea. When they're asking you about something unfamiliar, you need to define this person or thing. Answer B is the best answer in this case, because in answer B, well, first of all, we know who Sue Sunny Park is. She is a Korean American. And also in answer B, the unwoven light is light formed in colorful prisms. So it describes the unwoven light, and also it defines who Sue Sunny Park is. This was module 2A, test 3. You can learn anything, Mr. Osama out.